If you're over 30 and the only source of income is your job, what happens if you lose that? One disruption can break everything, and you're limited by raises or bonuses from that one source if you want to increase income. We'll dive into 5 of the best income streams to have over 30, as building up multiple streams can give you more overall options, helping to build wealth and give you peace of mind. As a quick heads up, this is for educational purposes and not financial advice. First is active income, your job or your main business. This is your starting point. The goal with this stream isn't just earning, it's using this income and time to build assets and skills that can eventually give you more options and even replace it. Second is investing income. Think stocks, ETFs, or index funds. Money put into this stream can compound over time. Growth and dividends begin working quietly. This tends to take some time to ramp up, but longer term, it can become a major income path that's also pretty passive. Third is cash flow assets. Think rentals or small businesses. These can take a lot of work up front to get, but then produce consistent monthly income. The focus is reliability, income that shows up whether you're actively working or not, and also gives some diversification. Fourth is digital assets, content, courses, or simple digital products. You build once and can distribute many times. Over time, effort compounds into scalable income, not tied to hours worked. The final one is interest income, high yield savings accounts, bonds, and CDs. Your money earns money just sitting there. It's not flashy, but it's stable and builds quietly over time. You don't build them all at once, and you can focus on one at a time. The more streams you have, you open up flexibility and eventually may not even need to have active income. You'd be able to do what you want when you want, and it gives stability. As if one of the sources doesn't do well, you've got the other ones that can help make up for it. Keep it simple, consistent, and stay focused. And over time, you'll have more stability and options. Consider subscribing for more breakdowns that help you build stronger, more reliable income over time. Thanks for watching.